For the position of Division Director, floor candidate for Division G Director, Surendra Panpaliya. Would you like to begin with an opening statement, or shall we proceed directly to the questions?
Yeah, you can start with the question answer.
How do you ensure division events feel valuable to clubs beyond just being mandatory?
I think like for Division G, like if you really want to have the club to succeed and the division to be succeed, the first thing is I focusing on one of the framework called leadership framework, where all the leaders are mentored. They are doing excellent in that as a L for that. And something which I like to make sure that when you say excellence, it comes when you have experience. And so with my experience of 26 years experience in the corporate training and also distinguished Toastmaster as well as two times aerial actor. So with that experience, I can add that excellence in the Division G.
What does integrity mean to you?
It means like for me, like I believe on the like whatever I'm doing is the truth. It's like I'm following the district mission division, and also I'm also all the members are also following the same. So making sure that uh, that I whatever I'm saying, I'm doing also. So I think if I say something and do something, that is not integrity for me. Whatever I say, I will do it. That's what integrity for me.
Which one of Toastmasters' promises attracts you more and why?
The most important promise which I like is about developing the leadership skill and the communication skill. Most of us are here as a member as well as a leader is to learn, practice, and also sometimes fail, and you also learn from the failure. So that's something which helped me a lot because as a leader, I have learned from the failure also. And also as a trainer, what I feel like is if I have to provide some skills, I need to have greater communication skills. So that's something which helped me a lot. So I think leadership and communication skill is something which I love.
How will you ensure maximum clubs in your division become distinguished?
So with that experience, I can say like, as I interacted two times, I have worked with the club. I connected with the president and VP education, the XCOM team. I attended the meeting. With my experience, I can say like whenever I have attended a meeting, I actually find out what is the strength, weakness, or what opportunities and threats. So that SWOT analysis I'm doing it for the each club. And by understanding, like if some clubs are let's say weak club, I make sure that I will just find out why these particular clubs are weak, and finding out that working with them, working with all the big club is the first thing which I'll be doing it, and making sure that they are getting mentors, they are getting the support from the district also. And as a division director, I'll make sure that all my leaders are also attending those meetings when the clubs are weak. Whereas in the stronger club, I will just make sure that they're doing excellence in all the meetings.
How will you ensure members in your division are engaged and contribute towards events?
So first thing is like even I have learned from my role as a redactor that I just find out like whether members are attending the meeting for other club or like for example we are having the contest. So I make sure that all the clubs in the area as well as in the division they are participating in the contest. That's the first thing. And in the while actually we are having that participants in the contest. In that case, most of the members are also getting engaged. So recently, I have conducted the contest for this HSC and ISC. In that case, what I tried is like most of the members are part of that event also. So every event, I make sure that the members are engaged. So engaging the member is something which I try to do it.
what specific initiatives will you introduce to improve member retention?
So member retention depends on quality of a meeting. And I have experienced myself like when we are having the better quality in the meeting, members remain.
Thank you for your responses. You may now leave the meeting.